What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Out here at the farm, just want to make a video here on something that we're going to be bringing to the channel more frequently, and want to get some excitement up on it. And that is, if it'll focus, there we go. It's the time of day. It's like almost 6 o'clock at night. There's lots of harvesting going on out there. If you guys can see combines and stuff. But this here is my grandfather's 1944. I guess it's my uncle's now. But there we go. My grandfather's 1944 John Deere Model B. These are known as a wide crop because the back tires you can extend out or in depending on the width of your crop. Some of them came with the the normal V front end, which is a tricycle. This one here has a wide front end that's also adjustable in width. You guys can see some of them, you can make them wider or longer depending on the bar that goes in there with the spindle. Pretty cool. This would be with that being said, I should say, this would be a John Deere BW. The W for wide, they had N for narrow, the BO for orchard, and BI for like industrial, whole bunch of different kinds. They made 40,000 of these from 1935 to 1952, and this one being a 44 is a very low numbers war model during the World War II model, when a lot of boys were unfortunately at war and not in the fields. So they didn't make too many of them back then. But very popular tractor, 40,000 of them made. It's got a little 2-cylinder in it. Everything on here, it's freed up, it's good to go. We're having issues with the magneto, getting spark, but as you can see, the wire's kind of loose in there. So I'm thinking maybe we can take this apart, solder some stuff up, fix some stuff up, and she'll be good to go. This one has the, let me get over here, 6-speed transmission. You see that? Some of them came 4-speed. This one's a 6-speed. It also has hydraulics, no 3-point hitch, and it has the original hydraulic power control silk screened on there. Like, that's not a sticker. That's like painted on kind of decal. So pretty cool. That's still there after all these years, considering you fill up the hydraulic oil here for the pump, and you'd think that if I fill on this it would overspill and it'd also be rotted away from the fluid, but no, this is all in good shape. You've got your mechanisms here for your for adjusting, for your in and out for the hydraulics, your up and down for your 3-point hitch if there was one. So very cool tractor. This thing has been in the family, well, Uncle figures about 75 years or so. So, but if you guys want to see this brought back to life on the channel, comment down below. We are going to start here on it in the next little bit, see if we can get spark happening. Thinking it could have something to do with some of these plug wires. This wire here should be on the other side. And this one here, I'm pretty sure should be over there, because I think this one here, are they the same length? It could be longer. As anybody knows, this stuff right here could cause it not to have spark, just because if there's a crack or anything in the line, it's going to arc out on the metal and not come out the boot. So it's just simple things like that. But as the sun comes out, folks, we hit the 5-minute mark of the video soon. We've got Ginger, the cat, on a hunt right beside the 41 or the 4010. Another good, awesome tractor. But yeah, there you guys go. What do you think of my grandpa's 1944 John Deere Model B W for the wide front end? So 2-popper. Can't wait to hear this thing go. But that'll all depend on well, you guys seeing it will depend on interest. If you guys are interested in seeing it, the views are good on it, we'll continue posting videos on it. Otherwise, we're just going to be getting her going and bringing it back to life for the family. So All the gauges and everything still in place. So very, very awesome old tractor. I love it. Very first tractor I ever learned how to drive. And I can't wait to one day have my kids drive in it. So anyways, folks, that's all for today. Or for this video, I should say. I'm back to work on the shop. Till next time, take care of yourselves. Love you guys. God bless.